Welcome back to Pram Pram and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here on the channel, my name is Gigo, and in today's video we begin with a plywood installation. So as you can see, most of the plywood is already laid. This stage goes really fast because it is just placing the plywood on top of the beams, and then we fastly go. So as you can see, this portion has to be done, which is the front one. We are extending the third floor a little bit forward, so this portion has to be done, as you can see. And I think we will project it a little bit further. I think 1 foot more will come at the front of the pillar, so we see how that one goes. All this side is done, and yeah, still not 100% sure what I really want to use this for. For the view, I wanted to put a room there, just one room, at the top floor like this as a penthouse. I'm also looking at making it a half room, and this section will be like a rooftop terrace. I'm also thinking of using it as a living room, and then the other side as the bedroom. So this is where the roofing will be. The empty spots are all going to be the aluminum roofing. So that's that side, and here is a decking. So the guys are working really fast. They are really doing great. I hope in my next video we can already begin with the iron rod installation and then the casting. Yeah, so let's see how that process really goes. And the view from here, it's really beautiful view. So you can imagine yourself having a room right here. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. So let's see. So this is how it looks from the down, from the ground floor. This is how it looks. Yeah, the staircase also. We're also thinking of constructing the staircase also. When we're doing the decking, I think it's best because we're gonna use the machine, and I think this decking is not going to take a whole day. So better if we rent the machine for the whole day. It's better to also cast the staircase instead of doing it manually as we did with the concrete mixing. So we see how that one goes. But yeah, we also have to watch the wood, the plywood, remaining plywood, and also the iron rod, because it also costs money. I still have to buy extra iron rods to cast the staircase as well. But that will save us the labor work during the concrete casting, because then they can do all in one. So I'm still looking into it. I'm still thinking about it, and we'll see how that section will also go. Yeah, there's so many options here. Seeing this now, I was just thinking, why not make it like a void. So there's still ideas popping up in my head now. I'm like, hey, maybe we can make this a void, and then yeah. So yeah, this is going to be the size of the room upstairs. So it's going to look something like this, a little bit wider. So guys, what do you think? You think it's wise to have a double ceiling, in the living room with this design? I mean, having a void, there's one disadvantage if you are not home, during your building process. So much thinking, man. Look, so as you can see, the front is extended a little bit forward. So we're gonna lay the plywood, and then we have to also cast the small pillars which will come at the front to support the edge of the extended beams you see right there. So the house has a little bit character at the front view, and yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm curious how the appearance will be getting to the end. So I think we'll end the video here. Let me know what you guys think about this project so far. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next episode. Stay safe. Look it.
When we come, you have your land, have your documents, then we continue there with the designing and all. We can help and see what we come out with. So anything concerning the building, we are here to help as possible.
I hope you appreciate what you have seen. Yeah, so keep it up watching us, give us more work. You have a strong team. So all we need your help for one else work so that we will work. Yeah, every day, there will be a good work. So don't worry. Any drawing, any plan, any work you bring there.
Thank everyone who do view and then contact us for our job. Yadamwasi, say about me for MIA Juma, MIA Suyebi. Esi Yadamwasi pa.
Video no wa hwada bia no wa ya first one person over subscribe yaro when you ma shiro and that dia some for video na subscribe subscribe now subscribe you should one like me do